welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is Master the Art of Social Media. In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience, build brand awareness and drive sales. With billions of users around the world, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn offer a unique opportunity to reach a global audience and make a lasting impact. For convenience as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the image from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this presentation, we will use the green color and its shades. The green color symbolizes growth, harmony and freshness. We go right click, format background. We choose the color, more colors. We go to the custom tab and we delete the previous hex code and we write the first color, the first hex code from the left side outside of the design area, hashtag BBDE89. Click OK. We set the transparency at 72%. And now we go to insert the rectangle. We go to insert shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, right click format shape. We choose fill gradient fill. We want to put 4 gradient stops. We go to the first gradient stop, color, more colors. At the custom tab, we delete the previous hex code and we write the second color, the hex code of the second color, hashtag C7E6A1 and click OK. We go at the second gradient stop, color, more colors, custom tab, we delete the previous color hex code and we write hashtag 6FA242. Click OK. We go at the third gradient stop, click color, click more colors at the custom tab, delete the previous hex code and we write hashtag 324436. Click OK. And at the last gradient stop, color, more colors. At the custom tab, delete the previous hex code and we write hashtag 6FA242 and click OK. We go to line, no line. Now we want to insert a picture. We go to insert, pictures, this device. We choose the picture that we want to insert and click insert. We reduce the size of the picture. And we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert a frame in our picture. We go to insert, shapes, we choose rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to shape format, shape fill, no fill. We right click Format Shape to see it from the beginning. No fill, line, gradient line. We choose 4 gradient stops. Let's do it more quickly. We choose the first gradient stop, color eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. We choose the second gradient stop, color eyedropper. We choose from the rectangles and circles colors the second color from the left side outside of the design area. The third gradient stop, color eyedropper. The third color from the left side outside of the design area, and the last gradient stop, color eyedropper. We choose the fourth color from the left side outside of the design area, and we put width 4 points. Now we click the rectangle, the frame, click the picture, we go to shape format, align center and align middle, and then we click the rectangle with no fill, right click, send to back, and that's it. Now we want to add 5 circles to my design to make the presentation more playful. It's not necessary to give exact dimensions for the circles, you can put them by eye. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Shapes, we choose Oval, we press Ctrl and Shift, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Fill, No Fill, right click Format Shape, Gradient Line, we choose 4 gradient stops, we go to the first gradient stop, click Color Eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area, we go to the second gradient stop, Color Eyedropper, we choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area of the rectangles, we go to the third color, Color Eyedropper, we choose the third color from rectangles outside of the design area, and the last color, Eyedropper, we choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. We go to width, we put 20 points, and we put the circle in the desired position. Then copy the circle, right click copy, right click paste. We reduce the size with the help of the Ctrl and Shift, and we put width 8 points. Then again we copy the circle, right click copy, right click paste. We put width 6 points, and we reduce with the help of Ctrl and Shift pressed the size, and we put it in the desired position. Then we want to copy another 2 times the large circle, right click copy, right click paste. We put it down, and one more time, right click copy, right click paste, and we rotate it a little bit, and that's it. Now we want to copy the small circle, right click copy, right click paste, we take it, we drag with the mouse with the help of the white dots, and we do a line. Now we will insert our title. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. From the Home ribbon we choose a body font size 32. and color with the eyedropper. We choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area and we write our title, Sif apostrophe, Master the Art of Social Media, a comprehensive guide to crafting an effective marketing plan. Close apostrophe. We adjust the title and now we will write the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose a body again font, size 18, color with eyedropper. We choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area and we write our presenter's name. By Martha G. Santos. And we put it in the desired position. And we just finished designing the title slide. Now it's time for animations. Before you start with animations, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. So, first we go to the rectangle, we go to animations ribbon, we choose entrance fly in, start with previews, duration 0.75, effect options from left, we want it from left. We go to the frame, entrance fly in, start after previews, duration 1, we put it 1, effect options from left. We go to the picture, entrance fly in, start with previews, duration 1, effect options from left. We go to the title, entrance fly in, start after previews, duration 1, effect options from bottom as it is and as one object as it is. We go to the up smaller oval, we choose entrance float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options float up as it is. We go to the second small oval, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options float up as it is. We go to the big circle, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options float up as it is. We go to the presenter's name, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 1 as it is, effect options float up as one object as it is. We go to the down circle, entrance float in, start after previews, duration 0.50, effect options float up as it is. We go to the second circle, down, entrance float in, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options float up as it is. We go to the line, which is compressed circle, entrance fly in, start after previous, duration 0.50, effect options, we want it from right. We go at the presenter's name, entrance float in, start after previous, duration 1, effect options float up as one object as it is. We go to the line again, add animation, we want one more animation from the line, emphasis pulse, start after previous, duration 0.50 as it is. And now we go at the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button, click. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!